Actually, this is the person I'm going to see who is live. It's connecting. Actually, my internet is a little bit slow. This is the name of the person. From here I can follow, unfollow that person. These are the coins of the person. She is on level 2, star level 0. Person watching this much. This is a search option. Because of the internet, these things will load a little bit time taking. These are the people. This is the trending by default category, hashtags, people, sounds, follow people, hashtag, sound, and with this option I can follow that person by scanning their code.